Hey guys, today we are going to show you guys how to make a bike into a motorcycle. And yeah, so this is basically like a tutorial. And yeah, this is how you make one.
Okay, so first you're gonna need a bike, and then you're gonna need a bottle. You need to flatten it out so it's good, so it fits. Then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to put the bottle in it, and then lift your bike, and then do this so it's fully in, secure. Then you're gonna want to lift your bike up, and then you're gonna want to get your bike going. Then you're gonna want to put on it. Let's go then.
And we got a bunch of them. And yeah, and we think they're awesome. And yeah, so
We hope you
make
like
sure.
it.
Yeah, we hope you like it. We hope you subscribe. And let's see if we can hit 10 likes.